This is a final video to clear up whether you really need Google Play services running on GrapheneOS. And if you've ever wondered why some apps don't work without it, you're not alone. Are you struggling with app crashes or missing features? Because GrapheneOS doesn't come with Play services by default. The reason is simple. Google Play services acts as a bridge for many apps, handling notifications, updates, and background tasks, but also comes with tracking and security concerns, which is why GrapheneOS keeps it out. Most guides online are long, confusing, and filled with technical steps that make your head spin. But today on Rexist, I'll share a secret easy trick that lets you run essential apps safely without fully installing Google Play services. It's fast, secure, and doesn't compromise your privacy, letting you enjoy your apps while staying in control. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to set this up, comment below and I'll make it for you.